Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing and swatching Colorette's new Shimmertint formulas. If you want to know what I think about them and see what they look like on Morena's skin, then please keep on watching. Alright, so before we move on to these swatches, let me show you the packaging first. So I got this set of 4 Shimmertints and this is the box that it came in. So it's a very nice pinky peachy box with some holographic details on it, so it's really cute. Then at the back of the box you just have some text here that says our Shimmertints are back and better than ever, because if you're not aware, they already had Shimmertints in the past, but this is a new and improved formula. I already took out the bottles, but this is what they look like. So you have the 4 Shimmertints here. So let's go ahead and move on to swatching these on my arms. Alright, so here are the Shimmertints, and I'm trying to be really careful because as you can hear that, these are glass bottles. And I'm a member of the Colourette Boss Babes group, and I've already seen a lot of boss babies out there who have broken their Shimmertints already or dropped their Shimmertints already. So let's go ahead and try the lightest shade. So according to Miss Nina and the color team, you don't need to shake this anymore because it's not like their old formula. So this is the shade Yellow Diamond, and this is what it looks like in the bottle. This contains 10 grams of product, and once again, it is a glass bottle. Okay, so this is what the applicator looks like. It's a gigantic doe foot applicator. And then it also has a stopper, which means it's not going to leak out of the bottle. Also, it's a pretty thick formula, so I doubt that it will leak out naman. So let's swatch that here. Also, if you see, daming manok. Also, if you see any scratches on my hands, on my arms, and on my wrists, don't freak out. I own 4 cats. That's why I have a lot of scratches. So let's... That is blinding. Let's try to diffuse that here. That's super nice. And it smells really good as well. I can't put my finger on it, but it smells like, I don't know. Basta it smells really sweet, like a type of dessert. So really nice color. So that's Yellow Diamond. Next, let's swatch Crystal Prism, which is a very popular shade. I'm going to try to diffuse it this time using the doe foot applicator. Let's try the shade Rose Quartz. So this is what it looks like. It matches my background pretty nicely. So this one is a pinky or a pinky shade naman, or a champagne shade. And lastly, we have Tiger's Eye, the darkest shade. These are the 4 colors. Yan. Yellow Diamond, Crystal Prism, Rose Quartz, and Tiger's Eye. So that's what they look like. Very, very blinding, very metallic and reflective. Basta almost parang ano, foil finish, ganon. We will be using Tiger's Eye and Rose Quartz for my eyes. So I'm going to come closer to the camera so you can see. So we are going to start off with Rose Quartz, and then I'm going to dab that on the inner corner of my eye. So, okay, I'm just going to take off my lashes first. I'm just going to reapply my lashes and my liner na lang later. In fairness, it's not sticky. Next, we are going to take Tiger's Eye for the outer part of my lid. Doesn't feel greasy, doesn't feel heavy on the eye as well. Yeah, so that's what it looks like on the eye. Alright, now that I don't look crazy anymore, let's go ahead and move on by swatching these 2 right here. So this is Yellow Diamond and this is Crystal Prism. So I think I'm going to use Yellow Diamond on my nose, my forehead, and just on my T-zone. And then for my cheeks, I will be using Crystal Prism. It's actually very easy to blend. Also, if you are wondering, I am wearing the Colourtint in the shade Bonnie on my lips and Ocean on my cheeks, and for my contour I'm using Robin. That's what the shade Yellow Diamond looks like on my T-zone. Next, we are going to take the shade Crystal Prism and we are going to put that on my cheek. So I'm going to put a tiny amount lang muna at first, and I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to layer again to see if this is buildable. It's super easy to blend. It doesn't dry fast, but it does set. So this is already dry, so let's go ahead and add another layer. Yes, I am going pretty heavy with this. I'm not the type of the subtle highlighter girl. I like looking like a disco ball, so that's why. So yan, as you can see, it's definitely buildable, and oh my god, it's so blinding. Okay, so that is what the shade Crystal Prism looks like on the cheeks. Also, quick intermission if you like what's going on with my hair, if you like having beachy waves or mermaid-like curls. This is what I use. This is the Mermaid Curls Hair Curler, and this is available in www.mermaidcurls.co. And if you're planning to purchase this, I do have an affiliate code, which is Mermaid Dani. So I'm going to put that below and the link where you can get this. Alright, so once again, these are the Colourette Shimmer Tints in their new formula and packaging. So once again, this comes in 4 shades: Rose Quartz, Yellow Diamond, Crystal Prism, and Tiger's Eye. So those are the 4 original shades from the previous version. So I do not own the original version of the Colourette Shimmer Tints. However, I did try them out in store a few years ago, I think. So anyway, I prefer this formula a lot more. So again, it is a cream formula, and it comes in a glass bottle like this that is very sleek and chic. The applicator is a huge doe foot applicator that is very easy to use. Plus, it has a stopper so the product won't spill everywhere. But you do have to be careful with this since this could break very easily. So, yan. Also, this contains 10 grams of product and it retails for 349 pesos for each color. But you can always get it in a set like I did. So, I like all of the colors. All of the colors are very nice. But my favorite has to be Yellow Diamond. Definitely Yellow Diamond because, in my opinion, it's the most blinding, at least for my skin tone. Also, usually, I don't really like pink or champagne highlighters because it doesn't really suit my skin tone. However, for this one, for Rose Quartz, it looks very pink in the bottle to the point that it matches my backdrop, as I've mentioned earlier. However, it does melt and blend into your skin very well. Also, in terms of the formula, it has a very thick consistency. It is very creamy. However, it's not heavy on the face, you know? It's not like when you apply it, oh my god, may makeup ako. Hindi siya ganon. Feels normal. It feels like normal highlighter. And also, it does dry down, so it's not sticky. It does set. So you can definitely use this on your eyelids like I did. So I'm using, what am I using? I'm using Tiger's Eye and Rose Quartz on my eyelids. And as you can see, there's no creasing at all. So yun. Also, it smells very nice. The smell is very subtle once it's on your face and smells good actually. Also, so a little goes a long way with this product. Plus, it is buildable. So you can put just a tiny amount if you're that type of natural, glowing type of girl. If you like the subtle look. But if you're like me and you like looking like a disco ball 24/7, then you can definitely build this product up. So you put a certain amount, let it set for a while, and then just layer it on. So this is 2 layers, just 2 layers. Can you see how blinding that is? I really like it. Another thing that I noticed is that I did bake my face earlier, so I have a lot of powder on my face, and this is a cream product. And if you've been doing your makeup for a while, or if you have some knowledge about makeup, you'll know that powders and creams do not mix. So you're supposed to put all of your liquid and cream products before putting on powder. However, this did not disturb my foundation at all or my powder, and it's not caking up. I have a small mirror here. Yeah, it doesn't cake up. Plus, once you swatch this kasi initially, before you blend it, you can really see the shimmer particles. But once you tap it onto your skin, you don't see individual glitters anymore. It's like magic. Char. So, ayun. I really like it. Nakaka-pretty siya, ganon. In my opinion, since this is a heavy cream formula that's very creamy and very pigmented and shiny, if you're the type that likes to have glowing skin, you can definitely mix this with your lotion or your body moisturizer, your body butters, to give you that extra glow. I mean, that sounds wasteful, but actually if you're not using your makeup, that's more wasteful than using it, because makeup expires, kids, you know. It expires. So overall, I really like these shimmer tints.
I think other people have a problem with the glass bottle packaging, but for me, I'm very careful when it comes to my highlighters. I treat my highlighters like my babies, so I don't really mind.
And you know what? It's actually waterproof. I'm not sure if they mentioned this being waterproof or if this product has any claims of being waterproof, but it is. If you're like me and you like wearing highlighter to the beach or to the pool or during the summer season in general, highly recommend this product. So I guess that's it for this short review. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.